gon' kill it, not gon' kill it.
In this life I've been scarred, so I walk around with my guard. And they quick to say Lil' Nooney trippin'. I think about my past and get in my feelings. I think about the people who deserve me. I think about the ones who didn't deserve me. Think about the ones who did me dirty. I won't let you close enough to hurt me. And I've been staying to myself, I've been moving low-key. Cause I don't know you and nigga, you don't know me. I don't need no new homeboys, nigga, I'm straight. You can keep your hands straight. I was born poor, but I'ma die rich. Riding in the 7 like I'm pocket 9-6. Still rocking with the clique I had to grind with. When the war flip nickels and sell them dimes with. Yeah, I used to sell Nick to Reggie, nigga. I get the chills every time that little confetti hit us. North Philly skinny boy, but I'm heavy, nigga. They switch sides, that was never with us. And petty niggas wanna mention my name to get acknowledged. Hoping I react like a fool and give them violence. I'd rather kill them all with success and give them knowledge than throw it all away for a sucker, cause we the hottest. My mama crib big as a church, I'm being modest. No sleep, putting in work, that's how she got it. Bought it, I started grinding when niggas got it. Now I got it, I'm dripping in diamonds and niggas shining, that's gangsta. Wasn't for this music, I'd probably be dead. Instead I'm on top and I'm counting this bread. Sitting in the mansion, could've been in the feds. Drop top, even with a price on my head. Whoa, it's no roof so they can see me shine. No roof so they can see me shine.
Hey, on my mama, where my money at? Yeah, bitch, I'm a dog, I don't fuck with cats. Hold this ain't no Tom and Jerry, I ain't chasing rats. Catch me in the pit where the bulls at. Bitch, I'm a blue nose, I keep blue strips. Niggas playing boo clues, I'm emptying clips. Pull up off the hip, hit that fucking whip. When I'm off the E, I be going super duper hot, ride me. You better join the winning team like you KD. Coach chasing, nigga beat his ass on the elevator. Stall him out for what a sucker nigga can't get a hard pass. But wait, hey, there's more. Your bitch a whore, a real fucking guard. Got on her knees, she like daddy, I want more. You got broke nigga problems, like where the weed at? I thought you was the plug, like where your tree at? Today I got time, cuz like with head nigga bust down, bust down, bust down.
AZB10 got that gas.
6 chill, fool, for real, for real.
Project fences to live in luxury. Now we live luxury. Straight out that bottom, nobody gave nothing to me. Be careful while fucking with me. All of my little brothers body, they cutting for me. Yeah, they gon' cut you for me. Lay in the cut with them cutters and cut you for free. Say she in love with me, but say you love, I just want your company. I fall in the club for free. I give out daps and them husband the ones for me. Cause that type of shit don't faze a player. This type of shit is what make a hater.
I go, she deserve that. She a bird, it's a bird trap. You think if I didn't rap, she would flirt back. Taking off her skirt, let her wear my shirt before she leave. I'ma need my shirt back. Nigga, you know how I go.